How to reset Crunchyroll password. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can reset your password if you forgot your password. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find the Crunchyroll website and sign up links in the description of this video. So in my mobile, there I have two options. I can explore the free trial, log in, or create account. I'm going to try to log in. I must write my email or username and to write my password. If I forgot my password, there's a button at the bottom of login that says forgot password. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to tap now in send reset link, and I'm gonna receive an email from Crunchyroll. So I went into my email and there it is, a Crunchyroll email to reset my password. So I must to click here, when there is the orange letters, and there I'm gonna be redirected to a new web page where I'm gonna be able to reset my password. So I must write my password, retype my new password, and at the end click on the reset password button, and that's it. Once you have done that, your password is going to be completely new. Thanks for watching.